Let's talk about the world's most advanced fighter jets, the absolute peak of flying technology. These machines are the result of decades of innovation, engineering, and relentless pursuit of air superiority. They represent the cutting edge of what's possible in the skies, combining raw power with intelligence and precision. For decades, legendary planes like the Spitfire and Mustang pushed the limits, dominating the skies of their era. But today, the game has changed entirely. The evolution from propellers to jet engines, from analog dials to digital displays, has transformed air combat into something almost unrecognizable from the past. It's not just about speed or altitude anymore, it's about intelligence, stealth, and connectivity. Modern jets are equipped with advanced sensors, data links, and electronic warfare systems that make them more like flying command centers than traditional fighters. Welcome to the age of the fifth-generation fighter. Flying supercomputers cloaked in near invisibility. These jets are designed to evade detection, share information instantly, and strike before the enemy even knows they're there. The Americans have led the way with the F-22 Raptor and F-35 Lightning II, setting the global standard for what a modern fighter can achieve. Their unmatched agility, stealth, and networked capabilities have redefined air dominance. But now, China's Chengdu J-20 Mighty Dragon has entered the arena, turning heads worldwide. With its own blend of stealth and advanced avionics, the J-20 signals a new era of competition in the skies. The J-20 is China's bold answer to American air dominance, a clear sign the skies are no longer a one-team show. The balance of power is shifting, and every nation is watching closely. This is more than a contest of machines, it's a technological showdown with global stakes. The outcome will shape military strategy, alliances, and the future of aerial warfare for years to come. We'll compare the F-22, F-35, and J-20, looking at media, close-ups of stealth features on F-22, F-35, J-20, high-speed passive jets, pilot performing extreme maneuvers, cockpit HUDs, missile launches from modern jets, stealth, speed, agility, electronics, and firepower. Each of these jets brings unique strengths and innovations to the table, making the comparison both fascinating and complex. How do these titans stack up? Let's find out as we break down their capabilities and see what sets each one apart. We'll see which jet can vanish from radar, which is fastest, and which packs the most punch in a real-world dogfight scenario. This is the ultimate battle for air superiority in the 21st century, a contest that will decide who controls the skies in the decades ahead. So strap in, this is going to be a wild ride. The stakes are high and the technology is breathtaking. The future of air power is here, and it's more thrilling than ever. Every maneuver, every innovation pushes the boundaries of what's possible. Let's dive into the details and see who truly rules the skies. The answers might surprise you. The stage is set. Let the showdown begin. The next chapter in air power starts now. Meet the J-20 Mighty Dragon, China's first stealth fighter and a true enigma. When it debuted in 2011, it stunned the world with its sleek, futuristic design and canard forewings. The J-20 marks China's leap from copying to creating top-tier military tech. It's a symbol of China's ambition, built to rival America's best. Details about its engines, radar, and stealth remain secret, making it unpredictable. The J-20's main role, long-range interception, striking deep, targeting high-value assets, and returning safely. It's not just a showpiece, it's a strategic tool for controlling regional airspace. The arrival of the J-20 has changed the conversation about air power in Asia. The Dragon has truly arrived. Stealth is the magic trick of modern jets, an invisible cloak that can mean the difference between life and death in the skies. It's not just about hiding, it's about dominating the battlefield before the enemy even knows you're there. Being seen last means shooting first. In a world where milliseconds count, the jet that remains undetected the longest often controls the fight. The F-22 Raptor is the master of this art, designed for near invisibility with its sharply angled surfaces, radar-absorbing paint, and internal weapons bays that keep its profile clean and hidden from enemy sensors. Its radar cross-section is tiny. Think steel marble compared to a car. This means enemy radars struggle to even register its presence, giving the F-22 a massive edge. The F-35 is also highly stealthy, though its bulkier shape and single engine make it slightly less so than the F-22. Still, it's packed with advanced tech and sensors that make it a formidable opponent. For older jets, spotting an F-35 is a nightmare. Its stealth features allow it to slip through defenses and strike before anyone knows it's there. The J-20's front profile is stealthy, but its canards and exposed engine nozzles make it more visible from other angles. In a pure stealth contest, the F-22 takes gold, F-35 claims silver, and the J-20 settles for bronze. Each jet has its strengths, but stealth is where the F-22 truly shines. Against older jets, the J-20 is a huge threat, but when facing the F-22, it might show up on radar first, losing the crucial element of surprise. In air combat, being seen first often means being shot down first. The stakes couldn't be higher when every blip on the radar could spell disaster. Stealth isn't just an advantage, it's survival. It's the shield that keeps pilots alive and missions successful in hostile skies. The F-22 sets the bar, but all three are formidable in their own right, pushing the limits of what's possible in aerial warfare. The stealth race is on, and every detail counts, from the tiniest rivet to the most advanced coatings. Engineers and designers are in a constant battle to stay ahead. Invisibility is the new air power currency. In the skies of tomorrow, the unseen will rule the air. Speed is life in air combat, but Super Cruise is the real game changer. Breaking the sound barrier isn't just about raw power, it's about who can do it efficiently, and for how long. In the world of modern dogfights, every edge counts, and Super Cruise gives pilots the ability to strike fast and vanish even faster. The F-22 Raptor leads the pack, cruising at Mach 1.8 without afterburners, fast, efficient, and always ready for action. This means it can maintain supersonic speeds for extended periods without guzzling fuel, giving it a huge tactical advantage in both pursuit and escape. Top speed? Over Mach 2.2, blisteringly quick. That's more than twice the speed of sound, allowing the F-22 to outpace most threats and reposition in the blink of an eye. The J-20 is no slouch, estimated at Mach 2.0, and with new engines, it's expected to Super Cruise too. China's stealth fighter is closing the gap, aiming to match the West's best in both speed and agility. Early J-20s used Russian engines, but China's new WS-15 will boost its performance. With these upgrades, the J-20 could soon rival the F-22 in sustained supersonic flight, making it a formidable opponent in the skies. The F-35 isn't built for raw speed. Mach 1.6 is its max, and it can't super cruise like the F-22. Its design focuses on stealth and versatility rather than outright velocity. But the F-35's strength is its brain, not its sprint. Its advanced sensors, data fusion, and networked warfare capabilities make it a force multiplier, even if it's not the fastest jet in the sky. For pure speed, the F-22 wins hands down. It's the undisputed king when it comes to acceleration and top-end performance. The J-20 is catching up, especially with engine upgrades. As its technology matures, it's becoming a more serious contender in the race for air superiority. The F-35 plays a different game, seeing first, striking first. Its sensors and stealth allow it to engage enemies before they even know it's there, changing the rules of engagement. In the race for speed, the F-22 is the sprinter, the J-20 the challenger, and the F-35 the strategist. Each brings a unique approach to the fight, shaped by its design philosophy and mission profile. Each jet's speed matches its mission. Whether it's dogfighting, long-range interception, or stealthy reconnaissance, their capabilities are tailored for their roles. In the sky, every second counts. Pilots rely on both their aircraft's speed and their own reflexes to survive and win. But brains can beat brawn. In modern air combat, information and awareness can be just as decisive as raw speed. In a dogfight, agility is king. The F-22's thrust vectoring lets it pull off wild moves like the Cobra, making it nearly untouchable up close. It's the ultimate dogfighter, able to point its weapons in any direction. The J-20 is bigger and heavier, but its canards and new engines with thrust vectoring boost its agility. It won't outturn an F-22, but it's more nimble than you'd expect for its size. The F-35 isn't built for close-in brawls. It lacks thrust vectoring and is heavier than classic dogfighters. Still, pilots say it's surprisingly agile at high angles. But the F-35's philosophy is to avoid dogfights altogether, strike from afar, unseen. If an F-35 is dogfighting, something's gone wrong. Agility matters, but so does staying out of trouble. In close combat, the F-22 reigns supreme. Electronics are the brains of these jets, and the F-35 is the genius. Its sensor fusion gives pilots a 360-degree view, seeing through the cockpit, sharing data instantly. The F-35's APG-81 radar and distributed aperture system are unmatched. The F-22's electronics are powerful but focused on air-to-air combat, lacking the F-35's all-seeing network. Upgrades keep the F-22 sharp, but the F-35 was born digital. The J-20's systems are shrouded in secrecy, but it likely has advanced radar and sensors. China's invested heavily in electronics, but matching the F-35's seamless integration is a tall order. In the battle of brains, the F-35 leads with the F-22 close behind. The J-20 is catching up, but software is a tough frontier. In modern air combat, information is power. The smartest jet often wins. Stealthy jets need hidden firepower. Internal weapons bays are key. The F-22 is an air-to-air specialist. 6 AMRAAMs, 2 Sidewinders, and smart bombs all tucked inside. It's built to clear the skies. The F-35 carries fewer weapons internally but can switch to beast mode with external pylons for massive firepower when stealth isn't needed. It's the multi-role workhorse, assassin or bomber as needed. The J-20's large bays suggest a heavy payload, including China's long-range PL-15 and PL-21 missiles. These missiles could outrange American counterparts, fitting the J-20's long-range hunter role. Each jet's arsenal matches its mission: F-22 for air dominance, F-35 for flexibility, J-20 for long-range strikes. Firepower isn't just about quantity, it's about hitting the right target at the right time. In the end, it's the punch you don't see coming that matters most. Each jet is a specialized tool, designed for a unique mission. The F-22's sole purpose air dominance, sweeping the skies clear for others to operate safely. Every feature is optimized for this role, making it the ultimate air superiority fighter. The F-35 is the Swiss Army knife, multi-role, multi-service, and a force multiplier with its sensors and data links. It's built to do everything: air combat, bombing, reconnaissance, and more. The J-20 blends these philosophies but focuses on long-range interception and power projection in the Pacific. Its job: threaten enemy carriers, hunt down support aircraft, and disrupt networks from afar. Each jet's design reflects its nation's strategy and needs. In air power, there's no one-size-fits-all. So which jet is best? It depends on the mission. The F-22 is unmatched for air superiority. If you need to own the sky, it's your pick. The F-35 is the ultimate all-rounder, making every force around it smarter and deadlier. For nations needing flexibility and tech dominance, the F-35 is the answer. The J-20 is China's long-range hunter, built to challenge American networks and project power in the Pacific. Each jet is a champion in its own arena. The rise of the J-20 signals the end of uncontested American air dominance. The skies are now more competitive and dangerous than ever. The real question isn't just about technology, but about strategy. What matters most: stealth, speed, firepower, or brains? The future of air combat will be decided by how these strengths are used. Which advantage would you choose?